Welcome to today's style guide, where we are taking a close look at some of the best prescription eyewear frames on the market. Finding the perfect pair of glasses is about more than just seeing clearly, it is about expressing your personal style and finding a frame that matches your daily life. Today, we are going to explore fantastic options from top designer brands, starting with the youthful and urban vibe of Armani Exchange. Armani Exchange was created in 1991 by Giorgio Armani to capture the heritage of the iconic Armani brand through a fashion-forward, urban spirit. First up on our list is the Armani Exchange AX1017. These are sharp, rectangular prescription frames featuring a sleek gunmetal color profile. Designed specifically for all-day comfort, this lightweight metal frame is highly versatile and suitable for both everyday wear and your outdoor activities. The frame size is 54 millimeters, making it a highly comfortable fit for a wide variety of face shapes. If you prefer a slightly different silhouette, Armani Exchange also offers the AX3050 square frames. These come in a very modern matte black finish and are expertly crafted from durable stainless steel. They feature bold shapes that perfectly reflect contemporary design with very stylish, subtle details. At 53 millimeters, they provide a great fit and look fantastic on almost anyone. Just remember that with these specific frames, you should gently clean them with a soft, dry cloth and avoid exposing them to water or extreme heat to keep them looking brand new. Both of these Armani Exchange frames come equipped with demo lenses that are ready to be replaced with your actual medical prescription. While Armani offers fantastic modern and urban styles, maybe you are looking for that classic Italian luxury. Let us step into the world of Gucci next to see what they have to offer. Continuing our journey into high-end eyewear, let us dive right into the incredible craftsmanship of Gucci. Gucci has successfully grown to earn worldwide recognition by emphasizing innovation, originality, and unparalleled quality. From their earliest design conversations, they have truly transformed standard glasses from pure daily function into highly coveted luxury pieces. A prime example of this dedication is the Gucci GG03430 rectangular eyeglasses. Meticulously assembled in Italy, these frames proudly showcase the brand's true commitment to premium craftsmanship. They feature an iconic black, green, and red colorway, offering a sleek and understated design that perfectly merges practical functionality with high aesthetic appeal. Tailored in a large size with a 57mm lens width, they offer a well-balanced fit that combines daily comfort with ample visual coverage. These frames were originally featured in the Spring-Summer 2018 collection and remain a timeless, sophisticated choice today. If you prefer a square look instead, there is also the gorgeous unisex Gucci GG11380 model. These glasses feature a beautiful black and transparent color design and are constructed from premium cellulose acetate. With a 52mm frame width, these frames are light, durable, and highly fashionable for any occasion. Gucci is famous for using state-of-the-art materials to craft their signature frames, and this model is absolutely no exception to that rule. Whether you are working at the office or out on the town, these frames elevate your look instantly. Gucci brings incredible Italian elegance to your wardrobe, but what if you want a classic everyday look or something with a bit more edge? Let us look at what Ray-Ban and Versace bring to the table in our final segment. In our final look at top-tier eyewear, we are exploring two very distinct and popular styles from Ray-Ban and Versace. Ray-Ban is legendary for refreshing timeless visual stories with elegant silhouettes, and their RX 7075 round frames are a perfect example of this philosophy. These classic Ray-Ban glasses feature a dynamic round shape finished in a unique rubber black texture. Made of high-quality plastic, they are incredibly lightweight and stylish for very comfortable everyday wear. Coming in at a compact 49mm, they proudly feature the iconic Ray-Ban logo printed right on the outer temple for everyone to see. To keep them looking fresh and scratch-free, you simply need to store them in their provided hard protective zipper case and avoid exposing them to extreme temperatures or harsh chemicals. On the other end of the design spectrum, we have the bold and luxurious Versace VE 1184 rectangular frames. These are crafted in a beautiful brushed brown metal and feature a slightly wider 53mm frame size. As a brand, Versace is heavily distinguished by its strength of character and its innovative use of new, unexpected materials. The brand's eyewear collection is specifically designed for those who choose to express their absolute confidence and uniqueness through a bold personal style. These frames certainly deliver on that promise, offering a sophisticated yet incredibly strong profile. To wrap up our style guide today, whether you want the urban edge of Armani Exchange, the premium Italian luxury of Gucci, the reliable everyday comfort of Ray-Ban, or the bold confidence of Versace, there is a perfect designer frame out there for your prescription needs. Thank you for joining me on this eyewear journey, and I hope you found the perfect inspiration for your next great pair of glasses.